Welcome to another video. So, Anthropic is now cracking down on the Claude code subscriptions that people were using with things like OpenCode or Crush or whatever the hell it was. This is because, if you see in this post, you can see that Crush has now officially removed support for Claude Code Auth Provider, which means that it now doesn't work with Claude Code Max subscription anymore, which is a super big bummer. Similarly, while OpenCode hasn't removed the official support, the Claude Code subscription doesn't work anymore and produces an error saying that this credential is only authorized for use with Claude Code. People are obviously frustrated about this. I mean, people used to use this feature a lot, but it has been just ripped off. And if you think about it, then it's not very clear in their terms of service if you could have used Claude with other apps or not. But the crackdown has started. I think that just the Claude Code GUIS like conductor will still work. This is because it is still working for me, and the way they are blocking requests is by matching the system prompt. So, if an app has the same system prompt as Claude Code, then it will still work, it seems. But if it has a different system prompt, then it won't. This means that if the thing you're using doesn't change the system prompt, then it will probably still work. Most graphical interfaces for Claude Code don't do that, but things like OpenCode and Crush and those crazy agentic contraptions still do it, which is not very ideal. Obviously, there will be workarounds here and there, but you don't get the choice of changing your interface that much anymore. I think this would help cut much more costs to Anthropic, because most of the people who used to use third-party interfaces used to cost a lot of money because they were the more power user groups who were fed up with the shenanigans and not so good terminal interfaces. This is not cool to see, but I mean, it makes a bit of sense for sure if you look at it plainly. If you compare this to other companies' stuff, then it wouldn't make any sense at all. I mean, GLM's coding plan allows for you to use it with basically anything. Minimax's plan also works with basically anything. Anthropic is doing the Apple thing here of binding you to the interface that they make, binding you to the marketplace of Claude Code, and so on. This is a kind of bad move by them. They should have maybe made the API for their Max plan directly available with some rate limits instead of doing this. This is not a cool thing to see when you compare it to competitors. It always feels like that when Anthropic does two good moves, they make one so big that it kills my reputation for them again. Let me know what you guys think about this as well. Please subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts too. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.